Let's take a look at an example product specification document and see some other things that we should include in our EMC design review checklist. Here on screen, I have an example product specification, and you can see that it comprises everything from a simple product overview to mechanical requirements, all the way to electrical design requirements, and finally, electromagnetic compatibility requirements. From an EMC design review perspective, we can see that we're in the right section in this document because it lists the specific EMC standards that will apply to our product. If we scroll back up to the functional requirements section, you can see some items that we would want to examine in an EMC design review. For example, we have this input voltage section. Here, the input voltage is specified at 24 volts DC plus or minus 20%. We also have listed as a functional requirement reverse polarity protection and surge protection using a TVS diode. DC-DC conversion section, you can see that we have some component placement requirements which will impact EMC and the ability to comply with radio emissions regulations. In particular, we have placement of bulk electrolytic capacitors and high-frequency ceramic decoupling capacitors at the input and output sides of the DC-DC converter. Another item here under the signal interfaces section, which is for the RS-485 interface. You can see here that we require an isolated transceiver, and this will impact our grounding strategy as well as our ability to implement ESD or surge protection on this interface.